Hello! In today's video, we look at how to divide integers. The good news is the rules for division of integers are exactly the same as for multiplication of integers. So let's recap the rules. We know that 6 divided by 3 is 2. So rule number 1 is when positive number is divided by a positive number, answer is a positive number. Second rule is if a positive number is divided by a negative number or if a negative number is divided by a positive number. In both the cases, answer is a negative number. So if any one number is negative, answer is negative number. This is rule number 2. Let's see some examples. Negative 8 divided by 2. Here 8 is a negative number and 2 is a positive number. So it means the answer should be a negative number. So we can write it as negative 8 divided by 2. And we know that 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer is negative 4. Let's look at another example. 15 divided by negative 3. Here 15 is a positive number and 3 is a negative number. So their division should yield a negative number. We can also write this 15 divided by 3 in fraction form as 15 over 3. We can reduce this fraction by dividing by 3. 3 ones are 3, so we will write 1 in the denominator. And 3 into 5 is 15, so we will write 5 in the numerator. Hence the answer is negative 5. Third and last rule is, if a negative number is divided by a negative number, answer is a positive number. So if negative 8 is to be divided by negative 4, both the numbers are negative, so it means the answer would be a positive number. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So answer is positive 2, which can simply be written as 2, and we can skip the positive sign. Now let's recap the 3 rules. Rule number 1 is positive number divided by positive number gives us a positive number in the answer. Rule number 2 is if any number is negative, the answer is a negative number. So positive number divided by negative number is a negative number and negative number divided by a positive number is also a negative number. And rule number 3 is if both the numbers are negative, answer is a positive number. Let's have a quick mental math competition. You will be asked 5 questions. Each question carries 1 mark. So let's see how many marks you get. Question number 1 is negative 21 divided by 7. The answer is negative 3. So award yourself 1 mark if you have answered this question correctly. Next question for 1 mark is negative 8 divided by negative 2. Answer is positive 4, which can simply be written as 4. Question number 3 is negative 18 divided by negative 3. And here we have written this question in form of a fraction. Answer is positive 6. Fourth question is 15 divided by negative 5. The answer is negative 3. Last question. 0 divided by negative 4. This one is tricky, isn't it? Well, 0 divided by any number is 0. So what's your score? Do comment down below and stay tuned for more videos.